Chapter 4, we will see erection of C&I equipments. This is very important chapter for erection and commissioning engineer. We will see PNID, second we will see instrumentation list, third we will see IO list, what are the IO list, hookup drawings we will see, then position plans of instrument we will see, then JB wiring details we will see what are the cable schedules, types of cable schedules, what is the use of cable schedules, then loops and their types. Then we will see data sheet. Then we will see interlocks. What are the interlocks? Are types of interlocks. Then we will see control drawing and control philosophy. What are that? These are very important during the commissioning. And then we will see basic guidelines of panel erection. This 12 thing we will see in the chapter number 4. We learn here from basic. What is PNID? PNID is defined as piping and instrumentation diagram. It is a graphical representation of process system. What is the meaning of graphical representation? It means that all the instrument and equipment will be geographically in different place. So with PNID we can get from where to where flow, water flowing and steam flowing, chemical flowing and many things. Total number of instruments present in the process is we will learn, and type of instrument present on the process system, what is the type of instrument, and process piping size identification, flow direction. It provides the basic idea how process work. It provides the miscellaneous item like drain, vent, specific fittings and sampling lines. Many things it will provide. So before going to PNI time, we have to need the nomenclature. As general, when we are going to further understand any drawing or anything, we must know the nomenclature. Otherwise, we can't understand what is the nomenclature here. This how we represent this. This thing will be not here. While this will be not written in the drawing. We have to understand everything from the symbols only. So we have to take care of the symbols and we have to remember it. See how in needle wall it's showing, how three-way wall it's showing, how globe wall it's showing, how three-way globe wall it's showing. So you should remember that what is the difference between that. Then only you can understand. You can remember it. See what is the difference between ball wall and globe wall symbol. In the circle there is dark in the globe wall, but inside the circle of ball wall there is no fill up fill up. So how it's a gate wall? In gate wall there is no circle. So in butterfly wall there is a circle, but this is a different type. PR dot means pressure regulating valve. Short form of pressure PR dot. So like that sort of valve actuator, and this is a control valve. How it's actuator, electronic control valve, solenoid valve, blow down control valve, instrument blow down valve. Like that you have to remember all the symbols present over here. That equipment symbols is there. Heat exchanger, how heat exchanger will look like, and screening equipment like a filter or everything. So like cyclomax, that mixer like will represent separator, how separator will look like in the drawing. So if you remember this symbol, then only you can understand the PNID. Motor will be represented, a dosing pump will be represented like that. So turbine, agitator is a mixer. In everywhere there is a mixer, there will be agitator. So sample cooler, how sample cooler will be represented. Let's see how pressure gauge will be erected and the plant. There will be siphon, then three-way gauge cock, then pressure gauge will be there. Like that, we have to mention. This you have to remember. This also you have to remember. And this also you have to remember. Pressure gauge, how pressure gauge and gauge cock, siphon, gate valve, lobe valve, middle valve. You have to remember it. This is the equipment symbol. This is the PNID. How PNID will look like. This is the flow diagram. See, this is arrow. See this arrow. See this arrow. how this is going, how water is going to the drum. This is FT director. Whatever we have explained before that, what we are going to learn from the PNID. Total number of instrument we are going to learn, and type of instrument present on the process piping we are going to learn. Basic idea of flow, how flow process work, how is that sample vent. This also we are going to learn like that. PNID. This is the valve. This is the both. This is the drain of the level gauge. This is the instrument. How many instrument is erected? There one FT is there, one T is there. Echo is the symbol that is the equipment in the boiler level transmitter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this like you can count how many instruments are present, what type of instrument present. Everything you can learn that from the PNID. So next we will learn what is instrument list. This list represents the instrument present in the process with appropriate data like range and type of transmission signal it is. What is the example? See, this is the example of the instrument list. Serial number, instrument tag number, type of instrument, service will be written, range it will be written, operating condition will be written, and engineering routine will be written, process connection will be written. So all these things you are going to learn. This also you are going to see. Whenever you get the instrument list, first you take the PNID, then you learn then you go for the instrument list. In that instrument list you will find this type of data. After instrument list you have to go to the IO list. What is the IO list represent? IO list is the input output signal and its description. In IO list also you will get the same thing. There are some new thing. You will get the DCS and PLC tag number. There is some difference in field tag number and PLC tag number. PT00 and PI00 will be like that. Description will be same. But here you will learn the signal type. What is the signal type here? AI, AO, RTD, both everything you will learn. Set point, what will say, alarm low. This everything you will learn. Just first understand the legends. What is the full form that? What PT is the pressure timer, AI is the analog input, and AO is the analog output. RTD is a resistor temperature device. Thermocouple, temperature thermocouple. Digital input, digital output, indication, control, recorder, is a totalizer, alarm low, alarm high. You will everything you will learn. Once you will learn the legend, then again you go to the this IO list and learn PT. What PT cross is given? It's been PT is the AI signal and PT is the indicating signal. PT is the controlling signal. Cross means it is signal. It's implied. PT is not AO signal, so it's a dot. It's everywhere dot is given. Cross means it is applied. This is a signal type applied to this PT. Now types of IO. DI, digital input and to the controller. What is DO? Digital output power from the controller you will learn. DIDO we speak in terms of DCS on PLC. AI analog input to controller. What is the example of AI? Speed reference signal from the BFD. From BFD or anything. Any signal. This is just an example I am giving to you. That's so that you people can understand. You analog output from the controller. Resistive signal millivolt. Resistive signal RTD we will learn in the temperature measurement chapter. Millivolt you will learn in the temperature measurement chapter only. This is just for information that what types of signals are present in our control system, in our instrumentation, and I am giving you one example for better understanding. Now what we are going to learn from IO list. In chapter you have seen that in previous figure function of the signal like indicating is recording what type of it is. Set point, alarm low, alarm high, alarm high we can go to learn, and type of instrument also, range of instrument also we get, and this is and field tag number. These all things we can get from the